Hello, some of you have asked me how to submit your screenshots when they are late, when Canvas is locked, so you cannot submit on Canvas anymore. You cannot submit your link to the screenshot directly because I cannot see it. So this is what you need to do. You're going to your drive, my drive, and then you're going to click New, open a Google Doc. Once you're here, you're going to name it screenshot, let's say for multiple choice quiz, for example. Then you're going to click Insert, Image, and you're going to click Upload from your computer. Then you have your previously saved shot. Let's say that this is mine. So you had your screenshot saved there. You click Open, and it's going to open right here on your document. Once you have this, you're going to click here, Share. You are not going to put anything up here, but you're going to click this one that says Change Link to Union County Public Schools. And it shows right here that anyone in this group with this link can view. You click Done. You copy the URL. And then you go to your late form. You choose screenshot, for example, this one. You put the date. I can't remember exactly the date. And then you just paste your link here and click Submit. And I will receive your screenshot. That's all. Thank you.